Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to AWS with Microsoft Azure step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Microsoft Azure portal. Once logged in, navigate to the Azure Active Directory. On the left sidebar, select Enterprise Applications. Next, click on New Application at the top of the page. In the search box, type AWS and select the AWS Single Sign-On application. Click on Create to add the application to your Azure Active Directory. After the application is created, locate and select it from the list. In the application settings, go to the Single Sign-On section. Choose the SAML option for your single sign-on method. Now, you need to configure the SAML settings. In the Basic SAML Configuration section, click on the Edit icon. Enter the AWS SSO endpoint URL provided by AWS into the identifier, entity ID. Next, enter the AWS SSO login URL into the reply URL, assertion consumer service URL, field. Make sure to include the default Azure attributes under Attributes and Claims. Click on Save to apply these settings. Now, copy the App Federation metadata URL at the top of the SAML configuration page. Keep this URL handy, as you will need it for AWS. Next, log in to your AWS Management Console. In AWS, open the AWS Single Sign-On service from the Services list. Select Settings from the left navigation pane within the AWS SSO dashboard. Scroll down to the External Identity Providers section. Click on Add External Identity Provider. In the Settings window, select SAML 2.0 as the identity provider type. Next, paste the App Federation metadata URL you copied from Azure into the appropriate field. Fill in any additional required information as prompted. Once done, click Save Changes to finalize the integration. Now, navigate to the Users section in AWS SSO. Select Assign User to connect your Azure users to AWS roles. Choose the users or groups you want to assign. Select the roles corresponding to the AWS resources. After assignment, those users will now have access to AWS via Azure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.